So this is the slide that I have about the Azure subscriptions. So you can see the first one is about the free account. The subscription is for 30 days and includes the $200 credit. This allows you to unlimited access to free Azure products and then a limit of $200 to be spent on the paid products. So you can use your free services along with the paid also. So for that paid, Azure is going to give you a $200 of a credit. So your Azure resource are disabled when the trial ends. So whenever you are going to exceed $200 or 30 days is going to be completed, then all your Azure products or services will be disabled, or when your credit expires for a paid products, unless you upgrade to paid subscription like a pay as you go model. That is what this means. And the next one will be the pay as you go model. So this subscription allow you to pay for what you use by attaching a credit or a debit card to your account. Organizations can apply to Microsoft for invoicing privileges. So basically the free is about learning purpose. So you are about to use this free account for a learning purpose. So whenever you are going for any commercial or an enterprise program, then you have to go by a pay as you go model. Like how much ever resource that you are going to consume, you are going to pay for only for that. That is the meaning of pay as you go model. So and the next one will be the member offers. So there are special customers, as we discussed, like Microsoft products, whoever you are using, they will get a reduced rates of Azure services. For example, you can see a member offers are available to Microsoft Visual Studio subscribers and Microsoft Partner Network members, Microsoft BizSpark members, and Microsoft Image members. So these are various Microsoft products that were delivered by the Microsoft, and persons who are using, like organizations who are using them, they will get a discount like some 40 to 50% on the products. Like in previous we had seen that in virtual machines we had seen that for server it is going to give you a 49% of a discount. Like that you will get.